Fibrosis. Question 6. Cystic fibrosis in humans is caused by mutations in a gene that reduces chloride transport across the cell membrane. An investigation was carried out to determine the effectiveness of two drugs, P and Q, on improving chloride transport in individuals with cystic fibrosis. Individuals with different mutations, A, B, and both A and B, were treated with either no drugs, P on its own, Q on its own, P and Q combined. Okay, chloride transport across the cell membranes was measured and compared to the chloride transport in a control group with no mutations in the gene. Results are shown in the graph. Okay, so what makes this a higher graph is just the fact that we've got 4 sets of data for each kind of chunked together bar set. Because otherwise it's fairly straightforward and we've got quite a nice scale. It's going up in ones. It could be a lot worse. Okay. State the purpose of including a control group in this investigation. So this is the same thing you've got to be careful of any time from a data handling point of view. It says in this investigation. So you have to not just say it gives you something to compare it to, which is what a control's for. You have to say that it allows you, allows you to compare your chloride transport against a normal transport. Maybe say in treated or mutated. Okay, so you need to refer to what you're doing in that investigation. So what you need to know is what would you normally have as chloride transport if you didn't have any mutation, or if you didn't have any mutation and you didn't have drugs. Okay. Identify the treatment and mutation for which the drugs had no effect. Okay. So I'm looking for a treatment where I didn't get any change from the control. Okay, so our control is here. So you can see that all of them are different in A, both A and B, all of them are different. However, here, okay, so our treatment here is drug P with mutation B. That gave us no change to the chloride transport from the control. State how the graph shows that each treatment was carried out on more than one individual with each mutation. This is an odd question, but it's because of this word here. There's an average calculated. If there's an average calculated, that means that you must have had more than one person that you were looking at. Okay. State the term used to describe the selection of drugs to treat individuals based on their genomic sequence. Okay, that's pharmacogenetics. Straight, just gotta know, and that's the question.